doing?
So cute. Hey there, how you guys? Good. I'm gonna have a large Americano.
All right. And that has 3 shots normally. Is that okay?
Perfect, yeah.
All right. Do you want room in it?
Room, yeah.
Okay.
That'd be great. And then we're gonna split the avocado, tomato, and sprout sandwich.
You got it.
Beautiful Mount Shasta covered in clouds today. Most likely, Beth and I think, snowing on the top, which is a good thing to help with the water situation here in Northern California. This is our favorite little spot, Ellie's. We have our concrete slab down in the barn, and as you can see, the girts are almost up. They have the front and the back to do. Then they have framing to do for the doors. We're going to have a sliding barn door on each side and one on each end, and a roll-up access door on the back end for the tractor and Polaris. So pretty excited. We have mud down and girts are up.